Aussies spend most of their time thinking about property. Second is interest rates.
Well, I mean, they think about interest rates because of property.
Yeah, exactly. Mortgage rates.
And fixed income, but a lot of property.
It's probably the first question I get at most panels I'm on is
Where's my
mortgage rate?
Yeah. That's like the shiny thing that you get people in the room for, and then you sell them on bonds when they're in the room.
Yeah, exactly.
Are we overestimating what's going on at a macro level in terms of where the rates are going to go?
Yeah, look, I don't think so. I think what we're seeing at the moment is we had this massive shock through COVID. We had kind of supply chain disruptions and kind of a big demand release because everyone was locked in their houses and could finally get out and spend money, and interest rates rocketed up, inflation's rocketed up. I think we're kind of moving away from that, and economies are getting their way back to equilibrium. And so what I mean by that, we think growth will be sluggish but improving. Inflation's pretty much back to central bank targets around most parts of the developed world, which means interest rates should be closer to neutral rather than restrictive. So in Australia, we kind of went through 12, 18 months while interest rates are at a 4-point-something% cash rate. So it was very restrictive, particularly for households. And I think we're kind of on a path now where interest rates are coming back to neutral. For Australia, we think that cutting at a quarterly pace back to somewhere between 2.5% and 3% as we get into next year is a reasonable kind of base case.